show you how to get a remote job by leveraging artificial intelligence. First, we're going to begin with the end in mind by defining your dream job. Specifically, what is the role and the industry? The reason we wanted to find this is so that we could tailor our resume, cover letters, and LinkedIn for this specific type of job role in this specific type of industry. That way, we can be the perfect candidate for multiple jobs, but only have to tailor our resume once. We have the best shot of landing your dream job if you shoot one step beyond your current role so that you have experience in the role in the industry. Next, we're going to gather data. We're going to find 5 dream job postings and find the overlapping keywords, phrases, and skills. Then within those, we're going to find which ones of these match your experience. So we are reverse engineering our dream job posting to find the keywords. And we do this so that we can optimize our resume, LinkedIn, and cover letters for robots. Employers use something called an ETS, Employee Tracking System, to keep track of everyone who's applied to the job, which tends to be hundreds of them. So the robots or the algorithms are taking a look at all of the resumes and finding which ones are a great match, and it defines those by keywords which we just did the research for. So then we're going to integrate all of those keywords that match our experience into our resume. That way, when the robots take a look at all of the candidates, it will flag you as a match, a potential good match for the role, and then it'll pass it on to the humans that will take a look at the resume. But you have to get past this filter first. So we put it on our resume, and we're going to put all of those keywords into our LinkedIn as well, such as our title, Growth Marketing Manager for Software as a Service, the summary, so this is the summary on LinkedIn. You can see there's a lot of keywords here: growth marketing, churn reduction, lifetime value maximization. And our experience. This is on our resume where we list out all of the jobs we've had and what we did in those jobs. You can see I have all of the keywords as well: ROAS, ROI, CAC, A/B testing. So this way, not only am I chasing jobs by applying to them, jobs that we are the perfect fit for because we did that research ahead of time, but now when a recruiter searches up Growth Marketing Manager, I will pop up and they would potentially message me for recruiting purposes. That way, not only am I chasing jobs, but I have jobs chasing me through inbound because we optimized for these keywords. Next, we're going to be the first to apply. LinkedIn has filters that let you filter by the most recent, and this is perfect. If we are a highly matching candidate because our keywords match and we are one of the first people to apply, then the likelihood that a human recruiter will take a look at your resume increases. You'll pass through that first filter because of the keywords, and you'll be one of the first people when the humans take a look at all the resumes as well. And optionally, they have other filters as well: remote only, which I highly recommend, and salary, so you could gauge what salary range you want to be applying for. For example, demand generation manager posted 8 hours ago, only 62 applicants, full-time remote, 120 to 30K. Awesome. Next step is to track all of the jobs you apply for using a CRM, a customer relationship management software. This is an example of Streak, which is a free Gmail extension, and you can see all the jobs I was interested in, applied to, got a phone screening, second interview, and received an offer for. The reason we want to keep all of this organized and track them is to help you study once you get into the interview stages. Because the last thing you want is to forget what industry or what role or what the job description was because you weren't organized. So this is why we keep track of it here. And you'll start to see patterns as well. See like, oh, what is working, what isn't working, and continue to optimize further. And finally, some bonus templates. The first is an introduction email so that you can send to the head of the company asking for an interview. Here's one that I've used multiple times with success. Subject is hi from Ray, interested about chatting in your company. Hey, my name is Ray, and this is my current position. Something relevant to your company. I love your company or industry. My guess is that right now, three of your company's biggest concerns are one, two, three. You're gonna have to figure those out. Recently, I did this awesome thing at my current company that solves one of your problems, and I'd love to chat with you about possibly doing the same thing at your company. Do you have 15 minutes to chat? If so, then hit me up on email, LinkedIn, phone number, whatever you want it to be. All the best. And then you attach your resume as well. Canva.com has really good resume templates. You can edit this entire thing just like it's a Word doc, replace your picture and put your experience, and boom, you're good to go. They also have really good cover letter templates as well. And finally, the last bonus is GPTs. You're going to want to use ChatGPT, Google Gemini, a lot of the LLMs to do a lot of the writing for you. So they can write your cover letter, your resume, your LinkedIn summary, your job descriptions. And it could also help you reverse engineer. Once you gather your 5 dream job postings, you could paste them all in there and then just ask it, what are the common keywords? And then it'll do all of that work for you. Hope this helps. I've used this process multiple times with great success, and I hope it helps you too. Peace. Oh, send this to a friend if you know somebody else who is looking for a job. That would be super helpful both for me and for them. And you'll get some credit too. Thanks.